This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a black screen on your Android phone. So there could be a couple different reasons why this is happening. And the first thing we want to do is maybe just force restart a phone. So hold down the power button and the volume button that's closest to the power button. So on my Motorola or my Google Pixel, it's the volume up button that's closest to the power button. And if we just hold both these buttons down, it will force restart our phone. So if there's some sort of application that's popped up or a virus that's just, causing a black screen, this will force turn off the phone. And then we might see the symbol pop up on the screen. So if it's not popping up or nothing's working like that, try launching your phone into the recovery screen. And you can just hold down a different combination of buttons. So on this phone, it's going to be the opposite. It's going to be power button, volume down now when the phone is booting up. So we can just hold down the power button, volume up for like 10 seconds and then switch on over. So we're going to see the screen power off again. So we can just hold this down and then we can just switch now. So let's switch now when it turns off. And then we can launch into the recovery mode. So we're going to switch, power button, volume down, and just see if this boots up now. And see if this works. Now, sometimes on your Samsung phone, this requires a cable connected to your phone from your PC. So this is going to pop up now in like 2 or 3 seconds. Here it is. Now I can go on down to the recovery screen right here. And I can tap the power button, hold this down and tap volume up. And I can go to this screen now where I can pretty much factory reset our phone. We can do other things under here too. But a lot of times, your phone will just need a quick charge. Make sure you have a proper USB cable with a fast charger. This one is labeled fast charger, so we can connect it. Now, a lot of times your phone is just going to be completely drained of power. So if we just plug this in right here, and then plug into a wall outlet, give it at least 15 to 20 minutes to charge. So when it's charging now, we can just wait for it to get a complete charge. And then we come back to the phone and we can try doing the different combinations of power button, volume up, power button, volume down, and keep doing that to see if that's going to get it a charge. So if that still doesn't work, go to your SIM card and remove the SIM card and try booting it and getting it enough battery in there too so it charges up. So we got our SIM card on the side here. We can just pop this SIM tray open and we can just remove this now. You can see my SIM is there. With the SIM detached, try charging and booting up your phone. Maybe there was an issue with an SD card or a SIM card preventing this from booting up properly. So just try that out. Get it at least 15 minutes of charge, and then turning on your phone, press this power button repeatedly, the volume up button, the volume down, remove the SIM card, see if you can get it to work like that. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out.